I'm here to do an unboxing video. It's for a floor mop, a microfiber floor mop. So let's open the ends of the box. It's a big long box, about a yard long it looks like. We'll see what's inside. Maybe I can pull it off. Okay, now I can get rid of the box. There's nothing left in it. And so, okay, here is the bottom part. And it has an attachment here to put the handle on. It's got instructions inside that shows you how to attach the handle, how to put the handle together, and how to put the microfiber pad onto the mop base. Okay? And it looks like you get 4 of these mopping pads, which is great. And they're really nice. Plush. I'm going to turn one over and see if I can line it up with the Velcro stripes that are on the back of this mop head. Oh, that really sticks good, but I've got it too close to one end, so I'm going to try it again. Just put it down gently. And it clings. See that? How nice. Look how long this is. This is going to make mopping go much faster. So as I said, there are 4 of these pads, and I have put one on. So I can get rid of these 3 right now. And in the box, there's 2 of these little things. And those are for when you're mopping. If you get stuff stuck onto the microfiber, you can just brush it off. There's a smooth side, and then there's one with the little teeth. So you'd want to do that before you put it in your washer. Those are nice. Okay, now we've got a handle. Let's see how this handle works. I guess you raise this up and pull it out. Then you can lock it back. Oh, that's really locked good. And on the top end, there's a place to hang it up if you want to hang it up. Now we need to attach this pole to the mop head. And it's got little holes that go through on each side. They line up with these 2 pieces on the handle, on the pole. And you just push it in and it's locked. So that's very easy to set up. Now we've got it all set up. I'm going to try it out. A great feature of this mop is you can turn it 360 degrees. That's a great thing. And this mop is made of aluminum, so it's very lightweight. That's going to make your job even easier. And what I have been wanting to do with this is to clean under this couch. It is so close to the floor that I can't find anything to get underneath it with. I was hoping that this would work. Because it's a sleeper sofa, it's just really tight to the floor. This is the first time I found anything that I could slide under it. And I just hate to see what it's collecting under there. So let's look and see. Did we get anything? Oh, I guess it's pretty clean. That's amazing. I love this mop. I think I'm really going to like using it because it's going to make my job go so much faster. I want to thank the brand for sending me this to try out so that I could make a video and show you all about it. I really like it, and you might like one too.